See, I'm trying to answer certain questions of genetics, and in this attempt, let me consider a question which is related to the aspect of human genetics. Question is, following is a pedigree showing inheritance of a genetic disease caused by an autosomal recessive allele. Persons of 1,3 and 2,2 suffer from the disease because they are homozygous for the recessive allele. If 2,3 and 2,4 marry each other, what will be the probability that their first child will be a son or will be a male child suffering from the disease? So in this pedigree, you see two different families are shown. In the left side, this family is being depicted by two generations, and in the right side also, the other family is also being shown by two generations. Now in this left side family, what we find that parents of first generation, they are completely normal, they are not showing the disease. But in the second generation, one of their children, this second one, this male child, is showing the disease. And this disease is actually caused by homozygosity of recessive allele. Means this is autosomal recessive allele which causes disease. So when it is in homozygous condition, only then the person will suffer. So second individual of this second generation is showing the disease. It means this fellow is homozygous, and his other siblings, they are showing normal trait. This indicates that their parents would have been carrier. Definitely they would have been carrier. Actually they are obligate carrier. They are definite carrier. Now if they are definite carrier, then this female of second generation means 3 second generation third individual, this female may be carrier, and the chance that she will be carrier will be 2 by 3, because if two obligate carrier parents, they produce children of normal type, then such normal individual could be carrier, its chance will be 2 by 3, and this person could be homozygous dominant, its chance will be 1 by 3. But we have to consider this fellow, this third individual of second generation, being carrier. Only then we can solve the question, and the chance that she will be carrier will be 2 by 3. Now if we see the family of the right side, what we find that in the first generation, this female means one of the parents is actually showing the disease. So this female is homozygous recessive. Okay, on her specific chromosome, both alleles are actually recessive, and her husband is normal, but they have two children. Both children are showing normal trait, but we have to be very much sure that both are carrier because they have received one recessive allele from the mother. So they would be carrier, and being carrier, they are not showing the disease. So let us see how this question will be solved. Now here I have shown the answer. Question is that the third generation child, if this individual 3 of second generation and fourth individual of this generation, if they marry each other, then what would be the chance that their first child will be son? So the chance that first child will be son will be 1 by 2. Okay, being a male child in the next generation, this will be 1 by 2. And the other thing is that this female of second generation, third one, will be carrier, its chance will be 2 by 3. So into 2 by 3, and she will be inheriting recessive allele to the next generation, its chance will be 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. And since this fourth individual, fourth male of second generation, is a carrier, so chance that he will inherit recessive allele to the next generation will also be 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and the final product will be 2 by 24. This will be 1 by 12, and when we solve it, it comes 0.08. So the answer will be 0.08. It means there will be 8% chance that if individual 3 and 4 of second generation marry each other, then they will have a male child, and that child will suffer from the disease. Its chance will be around 8%.